Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that most of us can relate to, but often don't realize the full impact of. Sugar. Yes, that sweet ingredient we find everywhere. We're going to explore 10 alarming reasons to quit sugar today. Trust me, by the end of this video, you might just want to rethink your relationship with it. Sugar Detox. 10 reasons you should quit sugar today. Sugar might seem harmless, but it has some pretty severe effects on your health. Let's go through the reasons individually and see what happens to our bodies when we finally say goodbye to sugar. Reason 1. Weight gain and obesity. When we consume sugar, our bodies release insulin to process it. Over time, consuming too much sugar can lead to insulin resistance, which often results in weight gain and even obesity. And it's not just the sugary drinks or candies. Sugar hides in many foods from sauces to bread. So next time you're grocery shopping, watch the labels for hidden sugars. Reason 2. Sugar is addictive. Ever wonder why you can't stop at just one cookie? It's because sugar is addictive. When we eat sugar, our brain releases dopamine, which gives us a temporary feel-good sensation. It's the same reward chemical that's released with other addictive behaviors, making it hard to resist that next bite. It's like the brain's hook before you even know it. Reason 3. Skin aging and wrinkles. Believe it or not, sugar doesn't just harm us on the inside. It affects our skin too. Sugar causes a process called glycation, where sugar molecules bond with proteins in our skin, damaging collagen and elastin. This leads to wrinkles and sagging skin over time. So if you want a natural glow, cutting sugar can be more effective than the most expensive skincare routine. Reason 4. Increased risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that people who eat a lot of sugar are at a higher risk of heart disease. This happens because excess sugar raises blood pressure and triggers chronic inflammation, both of which are major risk factors for heart disease. Reducing sugar isn't just about managing weight, but protecting one of our most vital organs. Reason 5. It can lead to type 2 diabetes. The connection between sugar and diabetes is well known, but worth mentioning again. When we overeat sugar, our bodies may eventually stop responding to insulin effectively, which can lead to type 2 diabetes. It's one of the clearest examples of how sugar affects our body's ability to function normally. Reason 6. Sugar weakens the immune system. Did you know that sugar can suppress your immune system for hours after you consume it? It prevents white blood cells from attacking bacteria as effectively. So if you catch colds easily or want to stay in peak health, cutting down on sugar is one way to boost your immune defenses. Reason 7. Sugar and mental health. There's a connection between sugar and our mood too. High sugar intake has been linked to higher rates of depression and anxiety. You may experience more stable moods and fewer mood swings when you cut sugar. So if you're feeling down, try reducing your sugar intake. The results might surprise you. Reason 8. Sugar wrecks your sleep. Have you ever had a restless night after dessert? Sugar can disrupt your sleep by causing a spike and crash in blood sugar levels. This can lead to fragmented sleep and make it harder to wake up feeling refreshed. A sugar detox could be just the trick for a better night's sleep. Reason 9. Sugar drains your energy. Sugar gives you a quick energy boost, but it's always followed by a crash. When we consume sugar, we get a short burst of energy, but after that our blood sugar drops rapidly, leaving us tired and sluggish. Ditching sugar can lead to steadier, more sustainable energy levels throughout the day. Reason 10. It increases the risk of cancer. Studies have found links between high sugar intake and certain types of cancers, mainly due to sugar's role in promoting inflammation. While the research is ongoing, we know that reducing sugar can help lower our risk for many diseases, including cancer. It's another powerful reason to take that sugar detox seriously. Before we wrap up completely, let's quickly touch on how you can start this journey and make it easier on yourself. I know it can feel overwhelming to quit sugar, especially if you have a sweet tooth. But remember, every small step counts. There are so many little tricks to make it easier. Valuable tips you could use. One of the best tips is gradually replacing sugary foods with natural alternatives. Think fresh fruit instead of candy, or swap soda with sparkling water. It's all about making tiny changes that feel manageable. Eventually, your taste buds will adjust, and you'll start craving less sugar. Tip 1. Read labels carefully. You'd be surprised where sugar hides. Make it a habit to check labels on everything, even healthy foods like yogurt or granola. Sometimes the foods that seem healthy are actually loaded with hidden sugars. Look for terms like fructose, sucrose, high fructose corn syrup, or evaporated cane juice. These are all forms of sugar that can sneak into your diet without you even realizing it. Tip 2. Increase protein and fiber intake. Eating more protein and fiber can help curb sugar cravings because they keep you full for longer. Foods like lean meats, legumes, nuts, and whole grains keep your blood sugar stable and satisfy you, making you less likely to reach for something sweet. Tip 3. Practice mindful eating. Another tip is mindful eating. This means focusing on your meals, savoring each bite, and how the food makes you feel. Mindful eating helps you enjoy food more, often leading to less sugar without even thinking about it. Alright, that was a lot to take in. Cutting sugar doesn't just help with weight loss or energy levels. It can genuinely change our lives. The benefits of cutting out sugar include everything from clearer skin and improved mental health, to a stronger immune system and better heart health. It's time to kick the habit and see the life-changing effects for yourself. So, are you ready to try a sugar detox? Maybe start by reducing your intake bit by bit and see how you feel. You might be surprised at how much more energetic and healthy you feel. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with your friends, leave a comment, and don't forget to like the video. Let's spread the word and start a healthier lifestyle together. See you next time.